Yes, good afternoon, everyone. So I'll be presenting how to make a VB application in Excel, and allow me to make a few highlights about what I'm going to do exactly. So, okay. So the purpose of this system is to automate the loan application and repayment process, which was previously done manually. So in the old setup, SACCO officers had to calculate monthly payments and schedules by hand, which was time consuming and prone to errors. So our BB application solution provides an easier, faster and more accurate way of handling this process using Microsoft Excel. So when the application opens, users are welcomed with a login form where only authorized staff can access the system. The login credentials are set such that this username here, and password to be username is BBC in caps. Then the password to be 2025. But this password, when we are logging in, is not going to be able to reveal characters. Why? Because we have been able to tweak that and make sure that in the settings we look for password char and we put a dot to hide the characters. Yes, that is of course security. Now once we are logged in, the user is taken to the loan entry form where they can enter the details such as the member ID, the name, loan amount, interest and repayment period in months. So when the user clicks submit, the system automatically validates the input to ensure no fields are empty and that only numeric values are entered when required. So if I'm to open that form and double click on the submit button, if I'm to demonstrate what we are talking about, okay, just a minute. So this is the code in the behind the scenes where the input, the member inputs their ID, name, loan amount and all that. Then if these fields are left empty, we are going to throw an error that all fields are required and it will have an exclamation mark, missing information. So after validation, the system uses Excel's built-in PMT function to calculate the monthly payment. So as you can see here, the loan amount, the rate has been divided out of 100. Then the PMT function is here, rate, month, what. So this is the formula PMT. So from there, it will immediately generate an automated repayment schedule in a new worksheet named after the member's name, by according that name loan underscore that member's name. So this schedule displays the month breakdown showing the interest portion, principal portion and the remaining balance using Excel's IPMT and the PPMT functions. So through this automation, Shema Women Circle can now easily compute loan repayments with one click, reducing human error and saving out of time for officers and members. So if I'm to demonstrate, let me first close this too. Then hit run, because if we after inputting all these forms, the different necessary forms and their code, we are supposed to run this application by hitting the run button where we are provided with this module, the login module. Then I input BBC, then of course the password, which is 2025, then hit login. So now I'm given a success message: login successful, welcome to Shema Circle loan system, which is okay. Then from there, I'm given the loan entry form where I'll enter maybe if the member here is 5, then the name is it can be which name can we use? We can use maybe Jeffrey. Yeah, Jeffrey Way. Then the loan amount it's going to be 800,000. Then the interest rate is 18%, of course, in 12 months time. Then I click submit. Then they give me a message that the loan has been recorded successfully, of which I click OK. Then they even tell me that the repayment schedule for Jeffrey Way has been created. So then if I click OK and exit this, then go to my Excel worksheet. Just a minute. Go to my Excel worksheet. So you see that immediately loan Jeffrey Way has been taken care of, and he or she has been the loan amortization has been generated and completed successfully, having a zero ending balance in the 12 months. So if we go back to the loan here, we clearly see that this member has been recorded here, so which is highly efficient and fast. Yeah, thank you for your time, and in conclusion, uh, this project demonstrates the Excel VB, which can be used not for just spreadsheet work but also for building powerful mini applications that address real life business needs. That has been us. Thank you for listening.